Promoting community development and bridging the gap in healthcare remains a top priority for local communities in the Upper River region. Recently, the Jalokunda family of Sare in Woolly West held the 6th edition of its free healthcare service and cultural festival. The two-day event, which drew crowds from across the region and neighboring Senegal, aims to foster unity while providing essential medical support to the grassroots. The intervention began with a comprehensive medical screening for many residents in Woolly West. Accessing affordable healthcare can be a challenge. This year, the Jalokunda family stepped in once again, providing free consultations and medication to natives of Sarengai and surrounding villages.
Our main objective is to help our people who are living in a very remote area that find it very difficult to get medical access.
Kono mbaɗon sabi Allah oɗon kawju o se ñiino ɗo lekke ɗe mbawno ko basse jaten walla bansa jaten walla yeru bawol jaten siko muñen seeɗa seeɗa mo kala yoje ko muñal lekkere no ɗo.
The impact was immediately felt by the beneficiaries. For many, this was a rare opportunity to consult with professional doctors without the burden of travel or cost. But it wasn't just about health. The atmosphere shifted from clinical to celebratory. As the cultural festival kicked off, the event showcased the rich diversity of the Fula dialects and various ethnic groups in the area, providing that culture is a powerful tool for peace. The village alcalo and regional leaders, including the governor of URR, the presidential political advisor, Honorable Sehombalo, joined the festivities. They praised the youth for their initiative, noting that such events directly complement the government's development agenda.
Sai development wawa jogade ko onon boni hunde wotere bon don nene goto baba goto. Sai gayi mbaw mi danade basse ko onon mbari dum ko onon boni nene goto baba goto ha leydi ni wawi yande yeso. Nden non Sare ngay naɓe gande wonde nam wona on Sare suka e nder ni leydi Gambia.
Kono President Adama Barrow wiyo o okki freedom of the press, okki freedom of the media, okki freedom of association, ko ɗum addi hande enen fof enen keɓi jam en mbawta noon rentude en jarani ɗum. Ko mbiyammi sukaɓe Sare ngay mbakkile oɗon fof nangodiron gonon nene goto baba goto. Mi andi Sare ngay seɗɗa ɗiɗo fulɓe ɗiɗo leƴƴi goɗɗi ɗiɗo kono han nangodiran ngol mbaɗɗol ngol continue ɗum gonon ndene goto baba goto ko ɗum naɓa.
Sare is already famous for its weekly market, the Lumo, which serves as an international trade hub for businessmen from the Gambia and Senegal. Organizers believe that by combining healthcare with cultural tourism, they are building a stronger, healthier foundation for the future of Woolly West.
Maybe in this country, when this time comes, all of us appeal to our people, our seniors, to let us come and partake in this activity, as you see. And also we have challenges on the side of the facility itself. You see the structure that you are seeing. This is a project implemented many years ago called CILIP, I think CDDP. But since this project ended, we don't have any other facility that we think that can help support this to continue, because we want this thing to continue. Even when we give service to people yearly basis, when we have drugs, when we have CHN and we have a facility, it can continue. Here is a sub-region, here is a border, and many communities are here, they are far from the facility, and the road also is bad, network is a problem. So all that thing I think is a challenge that we think when partners help us in that, it can ease the situation.
As the 6th edition comes to a close, the message from Sarengai is clear. When communities take charge of their own health and heritage, development is sure to follow. Khadijatu Jallow reporting.